Hey guys, today I will tell you how to make a yummy chicken kebab. For that we will need half kg chicken keema, 1 tablespoon black pepper powder, 1 tablespoon coriander powder, 1 tablespoon garam masala powder, 1 tablespoon ketchup, 1 tablespoon corn flour, salt as per required, and 2 eggs. I have taken the keema and I am adding all the spices into this, starting from black pepper powder, garam masala powder, red chili powder, all the salt and all the spices into it. And after I'm done adding the spices, then I am going to add 1 tablespoon ketchup into it. So I have added all the spices into the bowl. Now I am adding the ketchup and now I am going to mix. I am mixing them all nicely. You can also mix them with a spoon and you can also mix them with your hand, but I prefer using hand because that will help mix them even more nicely. So I am going to just mix them until all the ingredients are everywhere in each bite. Now they are mixed, so I have added green chili. I have taken a 1 large size green chili. If you are using small, you can put more green chili, and it's optional. If you don't like spicy things, you can definitely skip the chili part. So when I have mixed it, now I am making the kebab shape, and I am not going to make it so thick so that it doesn't fry because it's raw keema. So this is how I have made it, and by using the same technique I am going to make other kebabs as well. So this is a recipe you can make and freeze. I have put some of them in an airtight container and I am closing the lid, and I am going to put the rest in the oven. In the fridge. So I have taken an egg. I'll use another egg later on because this egg won't be enough. I have put a pinch of salt, a pinch of black pepper powder, and 1 tablespoon corn flour into the egg. Now I am mixing it. I'll mix it so nicely and well until it's mixed and it does not have any lumps of the black pepper powder or of corn flour, because obviously we don't want lumps. We want the batter to be really smooth. As you can see, now it's really smooth. You can't see any lumps in it, and now it's ready. So I have taken oil. I'm going to deep fry these, and I have put the flame on high. So after the oil is hot, now I have taken the egg mixture and put the kebab into it. Now I've put the flame on low and I'm going to fry all the kebabs. I'm going to first dip the kebabs into the egg mixture and then going to put them on the pan and going to fry them on low flame. First I'm going to make the oil really hot, then I'm going to fry them on low flame because it's raw. So it will probably take 10 to 15 minutes to fry. So after 15 minutes, here you can see I have made the kebab in break in the middle, and as you can see it's cooked. So I am going to just dish them out in a plate on which I already have a tissue paper. So here it is how our yummy kebab looks, and tell me in the comments that my recipe was useful for you or not. You can make this in Ramzan and you can make this after Ramzan as well when your friends are coming over. So if you liked my recipe, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and comment down below what should I make next, and tell me if you liked my recipe or not. Thank you.